Working with your customers, what are you finding are the key characteristics of those that are succeeding versus perhaps those that are being left behind?
I think it's a great question, and there are broadly two different categories of how banks are approaching this. The one you can characterize as having a do-it-yourself mindset, in which they think of this as a strategic capability and are more focused around doing the foundational work themselves. They're also typically siloed in their structure, in which the technical and the commercial parts of the bank don't effectively work together. And they also have a sequential mindset in which they want to get their infrastructure perfect before they start applying that to different use cases. The second, which is an approach that I would advocate, is to have more of a partnership mindset, to focus on the things that you do well, which as a bank is typically applying data for the benefit of their customers, and to work with best-in-class companies to accelerate their abilities to deploy these capabilities. We've worked with banks in both of these categories, and the second category usually gets much bigger benefits from the acceleration of embedding these capabilities in the business.
And what are the benefits from that second approach?
Put simply, we've seen banks achieve results faster than they would have otherwise. We're talking a matter of months as opposed to years. We've also seen them generate tangible business benefits, up to 25% improvements in predictive models, and then have them use those results to justify further investments into other strategic use cases.
And what's the downside of adopting that approach?
Some people would think that you are giving up capability, that you are not retaining the ability to create this enriched asset yourself. The answer to that is that first of all, we provide back all of the enriched data that we create so that it can be used across the whole organization. The second is that most banks are very focused on and prefer to use the outputs of our capabilities, that the application to different use cases is where they really do well and where they should be focusing their attention.